Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Wink. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to message on Wink, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Wink on your device. To start messaging on Wink, you must first become friends. Once you are friends with the person, you will be able to see their profiles at the top. So tap their profile. On this page, you can type a message and send it. You can also call, video call, play games, send pictures, and send audio notes here. And that's how you message on Wink. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.